Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. A while ago I uploaded a video about setting up IKEv2 and IPsec on MikroTik, and a lot of you messaged me asking to show the setup with certificates as well, since it's way more secure and much more professional. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of configuring IKEv2 with proper certificates, step by step, in the simplest way possible. If you've always had trouble with certificates or didn't know where to start, this video is exactly what you need. Alright, let's get into it. We open Winbox, then we go to the IP pool section and select the desired IP pool. In the name field, we can enter any name we want, and in the address field, we type January 10th, 91 to 91.1.100. Finally, we click Apply and OK. We go to the IPsec section, and there we select the peer group and give it a custom name. Here, I'll name it IKEv2 group. Then we click Apply and OK. Then we go to the profile section, and once again, we give it a custom name. In the SHA algorithm field, we choose SHA-256, and in the PRF algorithm field, we also select SHA-256. For the encryption algorithms, we check AES-128, AES-192, and AES-256. After that, we click Apply and OK again. Go to the Mode Config section and click the plus button to add a new entry, giving it a custom name. In the address pool field, I select the IP pool I chose earlier, and in the address prefix length field, I pick 32. For the split DNS, I set it to 4.1, and then I click Apply and OK. Go to the Proposals section and add a new tab by clicking the plus button. Then I give it a custom name, enable the SHA-256 option, and in the PFS group field, I set it to none. Finally, I click Apply and OK. I go to the Identities section and click the plus button. Then, in the Peer field, I select the peer that I previously created. And in the Certificate field, as you can see, we haven't created any certificate yet. Now we'll head over to the System and then to Certificates. I click the plus button and name it CA, and in the Common Name field, I enter CA as well. In the Subject Alt Name, I put the IP address of my server, of course. This might be different for you, so you'll enter your own IP. In the Key Usage field, I check the key cert sign and key encipherment options. Then I click Apply and afterward click Sign. Once I've clicked Sign, in the Host field, I enter my MikroTik's IP address and then click Start, and I'll wait until it's created. Now it's created, and I'll go back to the General tab, where the Trust option should definitely be checked. Now I create a new certificate again, and this time I name it SRV, and I copy that name into the Common Name field. In the Subject Alt Name, I enter my MikroTik's IP address once again. In the Key Usage field, I click Apply so that the necessary options are automatically selected. The only thing I need to do is uncheck the TLS client option and then click Apply. After that, I click Sign, and in the Certificate field, I choose the SRV certificate, and in the CA field, I select the CA that I created earlier. Then I click Start to have it generated. Once the SRV certificate is created, I go to the General tab and check the Trust option. Now I create a new certificate for the clients and name it Client, though you can choose any name you like. I copy that name and paste it into the Common Name field. In the Key Usage tab, I only check the TLS client option, then I click Apply and then Sign. In the Certificate field, I choose the client certificate, and in the CA field, I select the CA that I created earlier. Then I click Start and wait for it to be generated. Once it's created, I'll go back to the General tab and check the Trust option again. After my certificate is created, and now that I need both the CA and the client, I right-click on my CA and select Export. In the File Name field, I choose a custom name. Here, I'll use CA IKEv2, and then I click Export. As you can see, it's added to my file list. I right-click on the client certificate and select Export. In the Type field, I choose PKCS12, and in the Passphrase field, I enter a passphrase. Here, I'll use 11223344. In the File Name field, I pick a custom name, Client IKev2 in this case, and then I click Export. As you can see, 2 files are now added to my file list. I've created a folder on my desktop named CRT, and I'll drag and drop these 2 files into that folder on my Windows system. We then go back to the IPsec Identity section, and in the Peer field, we select the peer that we previously created, and in the Auto Method field, we choose Digital Signature. I haven't changed the name of Peer 1, so I'll go back to the peer I created and rename it to IKev2 Peer 1, just to make sure I'm careful when selecting it. I'll close any extra icons so that my MikroTik interface isn't cluttered and I can focus better. Continue, and then I select the desired CA certificate, which is the server one. Next, I choose the remote client certificate, and from the policy template group, I pick the IKev2 group 1. For the mode configuration, I select the IKev2 CFG. Then, under Generate Policy, I choose Port Strict. Finally, I click Apply and OK. I'll close the extra icons again, and I'll keep the Active Peer section open so that when the client connects, it'll be displayed there. I'll also have the log section ready so that it logs the connection when it happens. Now I'll bring my phone over to the monitor screen, and I'll copy and paste the folder I created, named CRT, into my mobile device. As you can see, it's been fully copied over to my phone. Now I need to import the certificates I created onto my phone. I'll go to the search bar and type Insert, then navigate to the VPN Install Certificate section. I'll tap on Install Certificate and choose the CA certificate. It will prompt me to select Install Anyway, and I'll tap that as well. Then it will ask for my fingerprint, so I'll scan my fingerprint on the phone, select the CA IKev2.crt file, and as you can see, it's now installed on my phone. Go to the VPN and App User Certificate section, and there I'll introduce my client certificate. As I provided the desired code, 11223344, I'll enter it in the Extract Certificate field. And for the certificate, I'll give it a custom name. You can choose any name you like. I'll use Client IKev2, and as you can see, the user certificate has been fully installed on my phone. I open the app, tap on Add VPN Profile, and create a new profile. In the Server IP field, I'll enter my MikroTik's IP address. For the VPN type, I'll choose IKev2 certificate. Then, in the User Certificate field, I'll select the user certificate I previously defined, which is named Client IKev2. I'll tap Select, and then, after everything is set, I'll tap Save. As you can see, it's now fully connected, and in the MikroTik's Active Peers section, it's received an IP and has logged the connection. Now we'll test it out by opening YouTube to see if it loads properly. As you can see, YouTube is loading perfectly and without any issues at all, and I'm really happy that you've joined me up to this point in the video. Please feel free to share any suggestions or feedback in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.